Hello man, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay, what is your good name?
Shantiram Adhikari.
Where are you from?
Feeding pastor.
How old are you?
21 years old.
Okay. What is your education level?
SLC.
SLC. Pass?
Yes.
Okay. How many members are there in your family?
4.
4. What is your work experience?
City center from India.
What did you do there?
Checking materials, loading, unloading.
How many years?
3.
3 years.
Yes.
Okay. Why do you want to go to Romania?
Money.
Money. Okay. Who will take care of your family when you go to Romania?
No.
Who will take care of your family when you go to Romania?
My brother.
Your brother. Okay. Do you take the vaccine of COVID?
Yes.
Which one?
Johnson.
Johnson. Okay. Do you smoke and drink?
No.
No. Do you know the salary terms and condition?
Yes.
Yes. Are you sure?
Sure.
Okay, brother. Best of luck.
Thank you, sir.